Hey guys, Danny here. I've got another pair of wireless earbuds for you today. These were sent to me for review. As always, I'll put a link down in the description if you'd like to pick these up. Now, I think you're going to want to check out the rest of this review because these might just be my favorite earbuds that I've reviewed so far on this channel, and there's several reasons why that I will go into. I'm going to unbox these now for you so you can have a look at what these are like. Now, they come in a pretty standard box. The case itself is actually packing a 3350 milliamp hour battery, which is very impressive and one of the reasons why I really like these earbuds. This is going to allow you to charge the earbuds many times. The manufacturer is saying up to 40 times. I don't think we'll quite get that, but it should be somewhere in that region. So because you're going to get so many recharges out of these, that you are going to have a larger case, which you'll see here. This is quite a bulky, heavy case, but I do really like the design of it. I like the stealth black finish that it's using. I also really like the hinged lid. It has a little latch that you press and it's really nice and secure and sturdy. The case itself feels of a nice quality, and I just like the finish of it overall. It just has a really cool, sleek design. The case is charged via a micro USB cable, just like all of the other wireless earbuds that I've reviewed, but with this case you can also use it to charge other devices using the USB here on the side. Because of its large battery, it also doubles as a power bank, which is really useful to have. Now, the earbuds themselves, again, I really like the design of these. They're really nice and simple and not too over the top. They are small enough to fit in your ear easily and are a very compact design, which I do definitely prefer. Now, the manufacturer states you get a 3-hour playtime per charge of the earbuds. I didn't get that. I got around 2.5 hours, but this is nothing new. When you're reading battery times on specifications for products, they always give you the absolute best outcome, so that was as expected. These earbuds are using touch sensitive buttons, which I definitely prefer, and this is another reason why I overall really like these earbuds. They don't have physical buttons, which can be slightly uncomfortable when you're wearing them. To press a physical button, it will push the earbuds deeper into your ear, which I don't really like. One other thing that's really nice about the case is the magnets that hold the earbuds in place feel really secure. It actually sometimes is slightly annoying to pull them out because they're in there so tightly. Also, this light that you're seeing that's pulsing, that's only picked up by the camera for some reason. You don't actually see that when you're looking at the case. It's just a solid 3 line of LEDs to show you the battery status of the case itself. Of course, when it's fully charged, you'll have 3 LEDs fully illuminated, and as you lose charge, you will lose LEDs one by one, and it will give you a good indication of when you need to top up the case. We of course also get a micro USB charging cable as well as some spare earbuds. I just stuck with the ones that came with the earbuds and they fit nice and snugly. I think this case looks really cool in low light because you can see the LEDs pulsing. This means the earbuds are charging. When they're fully charged, they will just go off and you'll know they're ready to use. When you're charging up the case, you get a nice clear indication of how much charge it's holding using the 3 LED indicators that you can see. The audio quality of these earbuds is average. They are no better or worse than most of the others that I've tested. They are perfectly fine. They have decent bass, decent volume, and are relatively clear. These are going to be for those of you who just want some standard earbuds that you can take to the gym with you, or maybe just some travels. These aren't going to be high quality earbuds that you're going to be used probably sitting at home, but they are really good for something that's portable, and because of the really big battery size, you're going to get a lot of playtime out of these. Now, the connectivity was absolutely fine. I didn't have any dropouts or any audio problems at all, so really good there. The touch buttons are really nice and easy to use. 1 touch pauses and plays the music, 2 switches tracks, and you can also adjust the volume and do several other things. Also, the fit was really nice. They didn't move around in my ear at all, and these just generally fit really well, and they didn't stick up my ear too much, so I do really like the design of them overall. Pairing them can be any simpler. When you first take them out of the case, after they've been charged, they will go into pairing mode and you simply connect them using your smartphone. When you pop them back in your case, they will turn off and start charging, and when you take them out, they will reconnect, so it couldn't be any simpler. As I said earlier, you can also use these to charge other devices, which is really handy to have. There is also a microphone built into each earbud, and I did a little recording on my smartphone using these, so I will give you an idea of what the audio quality is like. I'm going to play that now for you. Okay, now we are testing out the inbuilt microphone for these earbuds. So I'm just recording this onto an app on my smartphone, and it should give us a basic idea of what the microphone quality is like. Hopefully it's pretty good, and I will put this in the video and we'll see how it turns out. I think these will be perfectly fine for using for calls. They work okay, and the audio quality from the caller and the microphone quality is perfectly fine. As I said at the start of the video, these are probably my favourite pair of earbuds that I've tested so far on this channel. You can check out many of my other earbuds that I've tested, and the reason I really like these ones is because I just feel that they perform well in all the different areas that are good, and I really like the extra battery size. One downside to that, of course, is you have a bigger case, which is also a little bit heavier and takes up more space. So if you want something that's really ultra portable, this may not be for you, but for me, I take these to the gym and I take them running with me, so I often just take the earbuds out and leave the case behind. So for me, it's not really an issue, and just having that extra juice when I need it is really important. So they may not be for all of you, but as always, I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to pick these up. I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and of course I will see you in the next one.